Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to insert picture into any shapes using Microsoft Word. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a laptop or desktop, I just open Word application. So I just want to insert some shape over here. So I just go to insert option. So there will be a shapes option will be available. I can choose any types of shape to insert for my things. For example, I just want to choose some other shapes which is needed for this. So this is the shape option. So I just want to insert the shape inside the image. So what I have to do here, simple and easiest way, use double click on the shape option. Automatically the shape format will be open here. There will be a shape fill will be there. Just hit the button shape fill and there will be a picture. So once you select a picture fill, automatically it will ask you from the file or stock image, online picture, or from the icon. So you can choose. For example, I just want to browse from the online picture. I just click here for the online picture so that the browser will be open here, so you can search and you can have access. For example, I just want to choose something which is related to the animals or airplane or any type of things. I just want to search and I just want to insert the image inside the shape as you see here. So if you don't want the border, so just click here for the shape outline to no lines, or if you want to increase the border size, you can increase the border size according to your designs and clear. So I just increase the border size. There will be a shape outline and by weight will be there. You can increase the border size. For example, I just want to change the shape. For example, I don't want this type of shape, so just double click on that. You will have a shape option over here. So just click here to choose another shape. Automatically the shape will be replaced over here. So similarly I can able to get into different ideas. There will be edit shape. You can change the shape and you can choose a different type of shape which is you can change and you can have access as you see here. So you can edit the shape and change the shape model so into a different model. I just want to make a heart in one, or I just want to edit the corners or edit the points. I just click here for edit the point according to my need. Also I can edit. Yeah, so similarly I can insert the shape and I can insert the image inside the shape. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.